Did you know that some concrete can heal its own cracks? It's not science fiction, it's real engineering. Scientists have discovered a way to use bacteria to repair concrete from the inside out. This breakthrough could change the way we build cities forever. This technology is based on a simple idea. When concrete cracks, water seeps in. That water activates dormant bacteria inside the concrete, which then start a chemical reaction. Over time, these bacteria create limestone that fills the cracks and strengthens the structure. The bacteria used in self-healing concrete are specially selected for their ability to survive in harsh conditions. They remain inactive until they come into contact with water, which is a key ingredient in the healing process. This process not only repairs the cracks, but also increases the lifespan of the structure. It reduces the need for costly repairs and makes buildings more resilient to environmental stress. Imagine a future where bridges, roads, and buildings are not just built to last, but built to heal themselves. This is no longer a dream, but a scientific reality, thanks to self-repairing concrete. The bacteria used in this technology are usually from a family called *Sporsarcina pasturae. These microbes are known for their ability to produce calcite, a form of limestone that helps fill cracks. These bacteria are embedded in the concrete in tiny, nutrient-filled capsules. The capsules protect the bacteria from the harsh environment of the concrete and keep them dormant until they come into contact with water. When water enters a crack, the capsules break open, releasing the bacteria and nutrients. The bacteria then begin to multiply and start producing calcite, which fills the crack and hardens over time. This process is incredibly efficient. In just a few weeks, the bacteria can produce enough calcite to seal even the smallest cracks, preventing further damage and extending the life of the structure. This biological process is a game changer. It not only repairs the damage, but also makes the concrete more durable and resistant to future cracks and erosion. The science behind self-repairing concrete is rooted in bioengineering and material science. Researchers have been studying how to use biological organisms to improve construction materials for decades. The key to the process is the use of calcium lactate, a nutrient that the bacteria need to produce calcite. This compound is stored in the capsules along with the bacteria and is released when the capsule breaks. Once the bacteria have access to water and calcium lactate, they begin to multiply and start producing calcite. This process is called microbial-induced calcite precipitation, or MICP. MICP is a natural process that occurs in soil and other porous materials. By harnessing this process in concrete, scientists have created a material that can heal itself over time. This integration of biology and engineering is a powerful example of how nature can inspire technological innovation in unexpected ways. Self-healing concrete is not just a theoretical concept. It has already been tested in real-world applications. Engineers and architects are exploring its potential in everything from bridges to tunnels and even underwater structures. One of the most promising applications is in infrastructure that is constantly exposed to water and wear, such as roads, dams, and sewer systems. These structures are prone to cracking and erosion, making self-healing concrete an ideal solution. In Europe, some highways and bridges have already been constructed using self-healing concrete. These structures are proving to be more durable and require fewer repairs over time. Another exciting application is in underwater structures, such as offshore wind turbine foundations and underwater tunnels. These environments are extremely harsh, and traditional concrete often fails quickly. By using self-healing concrete, we can create structures that are not only more durable, but also more cost-effective in the long run. This innovation is already changing the landscape of modern construction. As this technology continues to evolve, the future of construction is looking more sustainable and innovative. Scientists are working on improving the efficiency of the bacteria and making the process even more cost-effective. Researchers are also exploring the use of other types of bacteria and nutrients to expand the applications of self-healing concrete. This could lead to even more resilient and adaptive construction materials. One of the most exciting possibilities is the development of concrete that can not only repair itself, but also adapt to environmental changes. This could lead to smarter buildings that respond to temperature, humidity, and even pollution. With the increasing focus on sustainability, self-healing concrete could play a major role in reducing the environmental impact of construction. It could help lower carbon emissions and reduce the need for resource-intensive repairs. The future of construction is not just about building bigger and faster. It's about building smarter, more sustainable, and more resilient structures that can heal themselves and last for generations. Self-healing concrete is more than just a technological marvel. It's a symbol of the future of sustainable and intelligent construction. It shows how nature and science can work together to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. As this technology continues to develop, it will become more accessible and affordable, making it possible for cities around the world to adopt this revolutionary material. From highways and bridges to underwater tunnels and skyscrapers, self-healing concrete has the potential to transform every aspect of construction and engineering. This innovation not only improves the durability of structures, but also reduces the environmental impact of construction, paving the way for a more sustainable and resilient future. In the years to come, self-healing concrete will be a cornerstone of modern construction, proving that the most advanced materials are those that learn, adapt, and even heal themselves.